Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. I wanted to go over how to determine the value of a 1 ounce silver round, silver bar, 1 ounce of silver. There's different types of silver, but for this video, we're going to talk about pure silver, which is 0.999 fine. So on silver rounds, silver bars, gold ounces, you'll see nines on it. That's just the purity. So 0.999 is almost 100% pure silver. So that's what we're talking about there. Silver and gold and precious metals are weighed in troy ounces. Troy ounces are a little bit heavier than regular ounces. So there's 31.1 grams in a troy ounce, and there's only 28.3 grams in a regular ounce. And that goes back to the Middle Ages. I haven't researched the history of it that well, but it's as long as I can remember, well, of course, as long as I can remember, my lifetime and many previous lifetimes, precious metals have been weighed in troy ounces. Got my notes with me because my memory stinks, but in order to determine what 1 ounce of silver is actually worth, you need to know the spot price. The spot price is the current market price for silver, gold, or any financial instrument. It's basically what the market says it's worth right this second. And I use a website called Kitco. There's an app for it, or the website, Kitco, kitco.com. I'll put it on the screen. But that will give you the current price at that minute or that second for silver or gold. So what you're seeing on Kitco, you're looking for the current price of silver, the spot price. Maybe it's like right now it's about $25 per ounce. It'll say it on there, $25. And that's for 1 ounce. That's by 1 troy ounce. So that's how you figure out what the current value is of 1 ounce of pure silver. That's for the 9999 or 999 pure silver. So hypothetically, you inherited a bunch of 1 ounce silver bars, and you're trying to figure out what it's worth. Well, you need to know what the weight is. Usually the weight is shown on the silver round or silver bar, 1 troy ounce, 1 ounce, whatever. And if you know that currently the price is $25 per ounce, you just multiply 25 times how many ounces you have. So if you have 100 of these 1 ounce bars, you got $2,500. Whether or not you can get to $2,500 is another story. Right now, for sure you could get it if you take it to your local coin shop, or you could sell it online or whatever. Sometimes these shops are paying above silver, and sometimes they're paying below silver. It all depends on the supply and demand currently. And there's a term called premiums. What are premiums? Premiums are the price that the dealers are charging over the spot price, the current price of silver or gold. So if it's 25 right now, like in my shop, I'm charging on generic silver rounds, which is another term I'll tell you in a minute. Generic silver 1 ounce rounds, I'm charging $28 an ounce, let's say. So what I mean by generic is there's different types of silver. Generic or stuff that's from a mint, like a 1 ounce silver rounds from the U.S. Mint, for example, would not be considered generic. Generic would be something from a private refinery. That's considered generic. Anything from a country or government or a mint from a big company or a big country would be considered non-generic. So that can affect the price. Silver Eagles, for example, 1 ounce silver Eagles are a lot more money per ounce than a 1 ounce generic silver round. So just keep that in mind. And the premiums can vary from city to city, state to state, coin shop to coin shop, day to day. It just all depends on, like I said, supply and demand. And of course the shop. So I'm going to give you a tip though. Now that you've determined what you have and how to price it, and let's say you want to go sell this stuff, I would suggest trying your local coin shops first, but make sure you do some research about the shop. You can go on Google and read Google reviews, and they're from what I've seen, they're pretty accurate. You know, a reputable local coin shop will have good Google reviews usually. Of course, there's ways for them to fake it and this and that, but if it's a long established coin shop and they're well known and they have good Google reviews, they're probably going to be fair with with silver and gold, what you're selling it for or what you're buying it for. But you know, check around, call around. Don't ever walk into a coin shop and tell them you don't know what you have. Make sure you do your research before you go to sell this stuff. If you decide to sell it, just don't ever tell the dealer you don't know what you got, because there's a fair chance that they're going to try and take advantage of you. But so to conclude, if you want to know how much your 1 ounce silver round is, you just need to go to Kitco or any. You can go on Google and just type in what's the price of silver, current price, and that's what they're worth per 1 ounce. And it's fairly simple, but that's the best way to teach you guys to determine it. And if you have any other questions, if you think I've left anything out, just please leave them in the comments. Also, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build this channel, and that would be helpful. So thank you and have a great day.